Hello, and thank you for taking a moment to watch this clip. I'm Sam, I'm a psych and a youth worker and the founder and presenter of Taboo Education, a company that aims to combat death anxiety within our community along with the issues that come with it. So why am I talking to you, someone who works in schools? Well, adolescents are going through the developmental stage in their life where they're asking, who am I and what does this whole thing called life mean? This means they are thinking about death as a concept a lot, but they also think that they're invincible and nothing bad will happen to them. Death is only for old people, apparently. We also live in an age where people don't see death, not really. How many of us have actually seen someone die or seen a dead body in person? Most of us won't have, but that wasn't the norm just a few generations back. And because they don't see it, it's easy to theorize it and therefore romanticize it. And you don't want that. Because that romanticized ideal of death, plus their impulsivity and a good sprinkling of social media, is leading to teen deaths from suicide and accidents at an alarming rate. But you can prevent that by having someone like me come into your schools and bring death back home. But we know that a direct approach is not always the best plan with adolescents. Just telling them what death looks like is going to go in one ear and out the other. They don't want to be told what to do or not do in this case, but they are naturally interested in death as a concept. That's why we take a different approach. We bring the topic of death into the curriculum, which is a lot easier than you may think. History, for example. You're already talking about World War II, so let's talk about how that war led directly to medical advancement and the creation of the funeral industry, which has unfortunately also led to the death avoidance society we have today. In psychology, we can discuss terror management theory, or the various ways the brain reacts to being informed of a sudden death. In human bio, we can talk about brain death or human decomposition. In the subjects of politics and law, religion and life, philosophy and ethics, we discuss the pros and cons of voluntary assisted dying laws. Give me a subject and I can show you how to make it work. We provide both presentations and interactive workshops. We can repeat them or do them as a once-off. It is fully customizable to your school's needs, whether that be part of a curriculum, a general year group talk, or in presentations for parents or staff. Also, we are not a faith-based company. What happens to your soul, spirit, aura is between you and whatever God you believe in. We are simply here to talk about the physical body. However, if you are a faith-based school, we can absolutely accommodate for that. And importantly, our work with students is engaging but always age appropriate, and parents regularly give us strong positive feedback. With that, I won't take up any more of your time. Attached to this email will be a list of examples for what can be discussed in various subjects to get you and your colleagues thinking. Whether you're thinking about including us for the current semester or further ahead, I encourage you to get in contact with us as soon as possible to discuss how we can work together to help and engage your students. And with that, I'm Sam from Taboo Education. Now go talk death.